Hello, my friends. So today is another interesting recipe. Can you guess what that swallow is made of? With my odogu egusi soup. Okay, anyway, if you're interested to know what I made that fufu with, then you keep watching. I came to you with another banger, like I said. Of course, trust that Ngozi Atiti Vlogs will always bring you healthy meals. Okay, let's go to my kitchen. Tana! It is rice. Basmati rice. Feel free to use any rice of your choice, but I use basmati rice. So I just brought out about 3 cups of basmati rice because I wanted to prepare for the other members of the family. So I used my NutriBullet because you know what? I just like the way it is cute, easy to, to handle. I just chose to use a smaller blender anyway. And of course, I blended. Usually, some people will soak it and leave it for 25 hours. 24 hours. How about why now? Why now? When you have a smart blender, eh? It is said we should work smart, not work hard. So why waiting for 24 hours before you enjoy your rice fufu? Anyway, as you can see, I made my beautiful basmati rice flour. That is the first process. Stay with me. Don't be in a hurry. I am taking you somewhere. Make sure you fasten your seatbelt. I am taking you on a cruise, on a dish menu cruise, okay? So this is what we got. Very beautiful, very smooth basmati rice flour. And you know what? Why I chose basmati rice is because basmati rice is in the low to medium glycemic index food. So if you have a high, if your blood sugar is high, you can eat this, okay? Because it's in the low to medium, just like compared to other rice that is in the high glycemic index. So that's why I chose basmati rice. Brown rice will be another good rice, of course, for health. Of course, this channel, I always want you to focus on your health. Eat healthy, eat well, stay healthy, okay? So it is okay for diabetic patients, okay? And of course, in all, eat in moderation. Moderation is the key. So that is our beautiful basmati rice. Okay, let's go to the second process. Ta-da, drum rolling, da dun da dun da. Now, so I boiled me some water. Okay, I'm not poured into the pot as you can see on the screen. Of course, you all know how to make your fufu. That's it. That is what the second part is. As soon as you get your flour, go ahead and do your fufu. Now, you can either put already boiled hot water and go ahead, or you can put cold water, make a paste of it as if you want to boil your rice. And then, of course, you allow it to cook. So either ways, either you're getting a, but the one I like most because it is faster is boil the hot water first, put in the pot, just exactly what I'm showing you, and start turning, to avoid any lumps. Turn it very well. Okay, so I was holding my camera at this point. That's why the turning is not looking that very smart. But hold on, I'm gonna drop my camera, put it in a tripod, and do the real thing. Okay, so you see, after turning it, the rice had already soaked up the water, and my heat level is low to medium, just not low, not medium, but in between, what I mean, so that the heat is gentle. And then you turn, just keep turning and leave it in that between low and medium kind of heat, you know what I mean. And of course, turn smartly, and that's what I'm doing here. That's just what I'm doing here. So as you're turning, you can tell when your rice is cooked. Remember, it is rice. But because we've turned into flour, the cooking time will be shorter than regular cooking to assuming you were just boiling your basmati rice, you know what I mean? Okay, so it will take time to break through the walls of the rice and cook, but because it's already blended in flour, so the cooking time will be shorter. I know you know what I'm trying to say, okay? So while I was turning, I felt it was a bit softer. I like my fufu in between. I like it to have some texture, okay? Not too soft, but a little bit not too hard. In between again. You get what I mean? You know what I mean? If you're a fufu eater, you understand that kind of texture I'm looking for. Exactly. I got it here. So as soon as I got what I want, and you can see, it looks like pounded yam. It looks like cassava fufu. Oh my God. Can you guys see what I'm seeing? That is it. This swallow was so smooth, so interesting. The texture was something else. And that is it. My basmati rice fufu is done. Done. And I went ahead with my yummy favorite egusi soup and I did justice to it. So if you have not subscribed, and you have watched up to this moment, that means you enjoy our recipe. Kindly click that red button that shows subscribe and click the bell sign. Choose the one that says all. Do you know what that means? Anytime I post a video, you will get a direct notification. That way you will not miss any video. So I went ahead to enjoy my rice fufu with my soup. So tell me you are eating rice without telling me that you're eating rice. That's exactly what this dish is saying, okay? So when you're eating, check your GI and eat healthy, stay healthy because we love you. Bye bye.